What does the fox really say or sound like? Foxes have a terrifying range of sounds from blood-curdling screams, eerie barks, to high-pitched calls that almost sound human. They use these to scare rivals, attract mates, or defend their territory. At night, their cries can echo across forests like something out of a nightmare. Here's the crazy part. Some foxes scream over half a mile away. Hunters and wildlife photographers often mistake it for a monster, but it's just a fox, small, stealthy, and hauntingly loud. So what does the fox really say or sound like? Bet you didn't learn that in school. Follow for more animal facts that completely change how you see them.